Hello students, this is a tutorial on how to navigate the online health textbook. To begin, your online health teacher will be sending you the information for the login page, the username, and the password. Please check your school email address. Once you have that information, navigate to the online login page, enter your username, enter your password. Either click enter or log in. From here, you have two options to enter the online health textbook. Either click on the textbook or click launch. From here, you can enter whatever chapter or lesson you would like. We will not be covering all the chapters. There are 28 of them. So this is where you're going to want to be able to choose what chapters and which lessons you would like to go to. So for instance, I'm going to choose chapter 7 and lesson 1 is already chosen. I'm going to click go, and that is going to take me to that information. As you start reading through the information, you will note at the bottom that there are additional pages in this particular lesson. So click on 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, and then you will hit a review. You are not responsible for completing the reviews. However, if you would like to complete them, you can complete them in a notebook. They can be very helpful for the review for the final exam. Also, there are videos available. You are welcome to watch those as well. However, they are not mandatory. With that in mind, if you would like to navigate to a different chapter from here, you can click in the upper left-hand corner. Click on, for example, chapter 10, Nutrition for Health, and you can see that all of the different lessons will pop up right next to that. Again, you do not have to complete the assessment or review. And also another great tool is that there are highlighted words. If you click on the highlighted words, a definition will pop up for you for better understanding if you are unfamiliar with the word provided. With all that in mind, that is how you navigate the online health textbook. If you have further questions, please reach out. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.